we have an update on Jeffery Herlings' injury status. Now, if you remember back in the beginning of July, he crashed during practice and suffered a broken collarbone, which, sadly to say, is kind of the Jeffery Herlings experience. Super, super fast, one of the best people to ever race a dirt bike, but super injury prone. Just, it seems to be almost every year he has something wrong, whether it's the foot that's been a nagging injury for a very long time. Just, it's a sad thing. I mean, yes, he has won an absolute ton, but with the amount of time he's missed, he could be an absolute records monster if he had just continued to be healthy for his whole career, or more of the career. Let's put it that way. But in a recent interview with GateDrop.com, Joel Smets, correct me if I'm wrong, I probably am butchering his name, I'm sorry, the KTM factory team manager, was asked, quote, the big question, Jeffery Herlings, what's the update there? What's it looking like for Lommel? I did hear he tried to ride on Thursday. I don't know if that's right or not. And Smets responded, his quote is, that's correct. He's going to try to ride by the end of the week. With Jeffery, you never know what's going to happen to attempt to race in Lommel or not. That's not decided yet, of course. We need to see how the riding goes, how comfortable and strong he feels. Then we'll see if it makes sense to go into Lommel and race or not. Now, obviously, missing as much time as he had just this month, because what they do, 2 motos, and then they also get points for qualifying. Correct me if I'm wrong there. I don't know. I think they get points for qualifying or sprint race or something like that. In the comments below, tell me, because I actually do not know. So that would be very helpful for me. But even as of now, he is sitting 9th in the overall standings with 325 points, with first place being Roman Febvre with 678. So he is very, very much out of this championship battle. Who knows? It's just one of those sad things. Like, I really would have loved to see him come over here and race at least, an outdoor season. I don't think we're definitely never going to see him, I think, come over here and race a supercross and or motocross season at this point. I still would love it. I mean, if he came over and said, you know what, I'm only racing motocross, one season, it's just for fun, let's see where I fall, it would be incredible to me. But I mean, you think it's been a few years now, actually, when he came over and raced, was it Ironman, the one round? And it would have been so cool to see, him at his absolute prime, with how fast he was against, Tomac at his prime, and it would have been so cool. But hopefully, he is still around for a couple more years. You can see some healthy years and see where it falls from there. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you watch MXGP? Are you only an American motocross, supercross fan? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. Appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.